bring it alive with paint.
Coco.
There's a tool anymore.
And miraculously, the ceiling is also approaching completion. But just when everything seems to be running smoothly, a disagreement between Paula and one of the decorators, Luke, threatens to derail the whole project. And Karen, the head decorator, is having none of it.
Fair enough. Should have stood in the army. Speak to people like that. Put you in a civic street now. Do not speak to civilians like that.
With the things well in the house, is that when Sarah and I came
Oh.
on this?
She said, well,
Dad, I've seen a video he's covered in this.
and I didn't like that. So I turned around and said, well, basically, if he goes, we all go.
They basically need to learn that they will go through me. And if they don't go through me, they won't come out.
I'm not a big fan of managing people. Graham's far better at doing it than me. I'm not very good at confrontation. I don't really like telling people off that much. I still have them away.
So it's left to Graham to calm the situation and get everyone pulling together again.
So we outside some gonna put it on the computer. I some put it on YouTube. Type in flying cat.
Not like that atmosphere.
Or jumping cat. Jumping kitten.
With a sigh of
For
relief,
more
the day
information,
ends with
7
no
notebook
more
books.
arguments. But work must continue for Graham and Sarah. The ceiling has taken over a month, and it's still not finished.
Come on, it's the final push.
The only option is to start pulling night shifts.
I don't think this ceiling will ever actually end.
And as the dining room doesn't have lights at the moment, they've had to improvise.